It's spring, or at least it will be next week, but the weatherman promises that it's going to hit double digits this week, and I am here for it. To celebrate all my warm weather sipping, I am going to enjoy my very favorite Gimlet and Tonic. What's a Gimlet and Tonic, you ask? Well, stick around. I'll show you. Hi friends, I'm Erin from the Wine Sisters. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where every week we show you how to eat, drink, and entertain like a pro. This week I am all about warm weather sipping. Here in Toronto, we are being told that the digits are going to get up to 17 degrees Celsius. If you're somebody who speaks Fahrenheit, that's about 63 degrees, I believe. And so we're just seeing the budding bursts of spring, and I am here for it. If you've been following along for a while, you know what a long, hard, cold winter it's been. Exhibit A, our tartiflette video. Exhibit B, our fondue video. These were all done in the depths of cold snaps, and I am hoping, praying that those are gone for another season. So I am going to be celebrating the sun with our Gimlet and Tonic. And I know what you're thinking, Gimlet and Tonic? I don't get it. Let me tell you a little bit about the backstory to this little creative cocktail invention. In January, I spent a couple of weeks in Costa Rica, where we were all sitting poolside, hoping to enjoy a gin and tonic. Simple, classic, straightforward, but for some reason, the tonic just didn't taste the same. It didn't have the same punchy flavor that we're used to in Canada. Same name brand, so I don't have any reason why that was, but it just lacked a little something. So using the gin and tonic as our base, I decided to combine it with a gimlet. Now a gimlet is a classic cocktail of gin, fresh lime juice, and simple syrup. So what I did is I took our gin base, added in a full squeeze of lime, a little soupçon of the simple syrup, and then topped it with the tonic, and it was so much more flavorful. Everyone loved it, and it became our official drink of our Costa Rican cocktail adventures. And I have a very strong feeling it's going to be the official drink of this summer as well. Let me show you how you do it. It's dead simple. Okay, so we have a shaker filled with ice. Into it, I am going to pour 1 ounce of London dry gin, whatever is your favorite. In it goes, no problemo. I'm also going to add in a equal measure, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. It has to be freshly squeezed, guys. Do not use that bottled stuff. It is simply not worth it. So in goes the freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm also going to use a teaspoon or a bar spoonful of simple syrup. Now plain simple syrup will do just fine. You know how to make that at home. Equal measures, sugar and water, simmered over a low heat to dissolve the sugar. But I got a little bit crazy with my anticipation, my eagerness of the warm weather, and I infused my simple syrup with a few spring-like herbs, basil, cilantro, etc. I think it's going to echo the flavors of the gin quite nicely. It's certainly not something you have to do, but it's something I'm going to do because I'm feeling, I don't know, a little inspired. So I'm going to put in just a bar spoonful, just like that, of our simple syrup. Okay, I'm going to give this a really good shake. Shake it with grace and vigor until it's good and cold, until that bottom starts to fog up, but shortly before you get an ice cream headache in your elbows. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain it into a rocks glass filled with fresh ice. Strain it right on in there. Oh my God, my mouth is watering already. It's so good. Into it goes. And with your favorite tonic of your choice, we give it a little top up. Just another, I'm gonna say 2 ounces, 1 ounce. In it goes, bottom. Ooh, it's a little full. Big girl pour, in it goes. And that, my dear friends, is your warm weather sipping Gimlet and Tonic. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you really like this video, do us a favor and share it with your friends. And as well, you might want to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe, as well as that bell, because then you'll be alerted to when we drop a new video, which is every week. That takes care of this week, just a quick and dirty, but a delicious one. I will see you next week for more entertaining tips. Until then, guys, stay well, drink better.